Okusharamwo kuhinguzibwe omu rukiiko orw'ebiro bishatu oruhendire izobe rya nyumwebazyo ahari Las Vegas Hotel omuri Mbarara City. Orukiiko oru orubiro rw'omurundi ogwa mukaaga rwetabirwemu bakamanda b'endengo zitari zimwe na zimwe kandi ruhendire n'okuta omukono aha ndagaano ey'okuhamisiriza ebibatensize.
So we are one thing. Cross-border indiscipline, negligence in some way along those points. Because if they knew that it's the best way to travel from one point to another, nobody would miss a security or immigration checkpoint.
Enkwatanisa eri hagati ya Rwanda na Uganda nayo terengezibwe emisho.
Because for you, you know, you have no reason to be disorganized. Because if you work together, you harvest together. The other side, you do whatever together, you will reap together.
Major General Paulo Muhanguzi omuduumizi w'Amahe g'enkambi ya kabiri hamwe na Brigadier General Justice Majambere oyebembire aba Rwanda basiimire President Yoweri Museveni hamwe na President Paul Kagame okubiikiriza okutahwa enkiiko ezi bagumizengu zibahwerire kihango okuhamya omukago.
I thank our two heads of states that gave directives to both UPDF and RDF to have these meetings to take place. Now this one, it's a sixth one, 1.5 years since we started these cross-border meeting engagements.
So, the visit to Africa Coffee Park yesterday is also a testament of what peace and stability can achieve. And sustainment or sustainability of such a huge project relies upon the stability of a nation.
Aha muheru gw'empanurezi hona habireho okuhanisana ebirabo hagati y'abakamanda babona nk'akamanyiso ak'okuhamya obumwe hamwe n'okukwatanisa. Amakuru aga gashakwa Abdulkarim Sengendo ahabwa TV West.